right now I'm heading to Pigeon Forge. I'm heading to Pigeon Forge, and I guess down in the valleys they're getting snow too. I was going to head up into the mountains, but I figured, you probably want to see Pigeon Forge, so that's what I'm doing. This is sticky snow too. This is a wet, heavy snow. Now I don't think it's going to do anything to the roads because the roads are still too warm and it's been raining for about a day and a half now. So, but the sides, the land is getting nicely dusted with snow. Really pretty. Really pretty. Real close, you can see the camera on the front of the car too. And it looks like it's got a lot of snow on it. It does. It looks like there's a whole lot of snow on it. That's why I brought the other camera inside. But, this is a wet snow. That poor camera is probably not getting a lot of video other than very close-up snowflakes. That I just finished doing the live show with you guys, and I went downstairs and I think I got myself another cup of coffee, and I look out the kitchen window and I'm like, it's snowing! That's amazing. Now this is the first intersection you come up to in Pigeon Forge. That's McGill Street. If you make a right on McGill Street, that's Pigeon Forge right there. Go this way. If you're coming up from Pigeon Forge, make a left. That's the back way to the other side of Pigeon Forge. If you want to avoid the traffic, you would go that way. If you're coming down this way, you make a right on McGill Street, and it takes you past every traffic light. Just down that road, it brings you right to the entrance to Gatlinburg, the road to Gatlinburg, or you can make lefts anywhere along that way, and you can dump out wherever it is you want in Pigeon Forge without having to deal with the traffic. And I'm sure being there's a lot of touristas here, traffic is going to be very interesting because a lot of them, I don't think, know how to drive in this weather. So it's going to be interesting. I got to watch both ways. I don't need another accident. I really don't. One was enough. You can see the traffic there. It's already starting to snarl up. I'll get a picture from here. Don't mind the movement of the camera. I can't do anything about it because I've got the tripod and everything with me. And there's Pigeon Forge. The other camera still has snow on the front. Yeah, buddy. Snow on the front. I'm hoping it comes down. I'm sure there's some good video on that. this snow is heavy snow. Really heavy snow. It's just not good snow skiing snow. This makes you slip and slide, and it could freeze up overnight, which they said it's going to be in the 20s, so I'm assuming it's going to freeze up tonight. I'll be staying in the house after I pick up my reed, go back home. There's the traffic. Pretty slow. Pretty slow. Don't want to get too much of the mirror in there. Cold too, it's 33 degrees. There's the Stampede, Dolly Parton's Stampede in the snow. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Hey, appreciate it.
Wave to Vacation Station TV.
Nice.
Here. It's a card. Wave,
Merry
kids.
Christmas. Like it.
Merry
Vacation
Christmas,
Station
kids.
TV, your virtual getaway. Jeff and Mary, owners.
Yep.
Kitchen Ford. I love that.
It's great for the kids. Isn't it great for the kids?
Incredible.
It's
Hey,
amazing.
Cash, come here. How do we think about all this snow? You do?
Is this your
Before?
first time seeing snow? It is?
He doesn't remember. He's seen snow lots of times, but this is the first time he remembers seeing snow.
That's really good. It's a great experience.
Good
And-
evening.
And they'll see themselves on Vacation Station TV.
Oh, nice.
You go onto it and make sure you subscribe, like,
Okay.
comment, but you'll see.
Is it on Facebook or something?
No, YouTube.
YouTube.
Oh,
Gotcha.
YouTube. Check it on out and have a great Christmas.
You too, bud. Appreciate
Anyone
it.
you want to say hi to?
Merry Christmas, and I'm sorry the whole world doesn't get to see the snow on Christmas Eve.
Happy New Year to you.